Recommended reading list for writers. For anyone wanting to launch a freelance writing business. Are you hoping to launch your own freelance writing business? Perhaps you have almost everything in place but need a few more ideas or some inspiration to move forward? This selection of books could help you with that goal. Check them out. The Well-Fed Writer, by Peter Bowerman, a comprehensive guide to freelance writing, including insights on pricing your work and negotiating with clients. The Freelancer's Bible, by Sarah Horowitz, offers a comprehensive look at the financial aspects of freelancing, including setting rates and managing clients. Get Paid to Write, the No-Nonsense Guide to Freelance Writing, by Thomas A. Williams, a practical guide that includes advice on pricing your work and building a successful freelance writing business. On Writing, a Memoir of the Craft, by Stephen King. While not strictly about freelancing, this classic book will teach you how to write. The advice provided here will serve you well. Secrets of a Freelance Writer, How to Make $100,000 a Year or More, by Robert W. Bly. I absolutely love this book. Robert Bly provides insights into building a lucrative freelance writing career, making this particular guide a perfect addition to any freelance writer's library. The Essential Guide to Freelance Writing, How to Write, Work, and Thrive on Your Own Terms, by Zachary Petit. This guide covers various aspects of freelance writing, from finding clients to developing your writing skills, making it an excellent resource for newcomers. Writer's Market 2023, The Most Trusted Guide to Getting Published, by Robert Lee Brewer. While primarily focused on getting published, this annual guide is a treasure trove of information for freelance writers looking for writing opportunities, markets, and advice. Your freelance writing journey is an exciting adventure, and these books can help you understand the intricacies of the business and allow you to hit the ground running from day one. Good luck! Did you find this video helpful? Please click on like and subscribe to show your support. Doing so will allow me to continue creating content for you. Thanks.